Well, this is a video to show my latest arsenal of Logan's Run pistols. This one here we saw earlier is the one that actually will shoot flame. Flame does come out the 4 ports here on the tip. When the ignition button is pressed here, then the trigger here will release the gas, and of course we get our 4 flames out the front. This one is kind of several things happening here. We not only have the switch here that ignites the simulated glow plug, but when you pull the trigger, we do have a blue flash to simulate the flame. So we turn off the glow plug, turn it on, flash, and of course we have a LED lit Logan's Run blaster. This also shoots rubber bands. Have a little notch right here in the front, and when you do pull the trigger, you actually raise a little release here. This is a little release that the rubber band goes around here. So when you actually go to fire the prop, you turn on the glow plug, put in the rubber band, and pull the trigger. And so basically it does LEDs as well as the rubber band. Now, let's go ahead and set these aside, and I want to show the latest one that I'm working on. This particular one is patterned after the Logan's Run pistol as well, but this one, once it's put together, will actually shoot water. So this is going to be a water pistol. Currently the 2 sides are just kind of tacked together, and I put the black tape to kind of seal this lower area so there's no leakage of water down there in the little chamber right there. Basically what happens is you fill it with water. It will have the upper portion will be installed. Of course later I'm just doing a test on the trigger and the pump mechanism, but it will indeed have all of this. It'll have the little belt clip triangle there as well. So it'll have a little nozzle. Most likely this one here on the tip will be right there, and it will indeed, when you pull the trigger, will shoot water. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little sample in here to see how it indeed does work. So I will fill this part of it up here, and we're going to go ahead and video the function. So this will indeed shoot water. It'll be a Logan's Run water pistol, just like that. Alright, so this is going to be a test to see if the water indeed will come out the little nozzle there. So I'm going to go ahead and test it here. Right now we've got just a little water. It does leak a little, but I expected that, so we're going to pump it up here and see what happens. Here we go. Whew. Yep. We indeed have a Logan's Run water pistol shooter. Yeah, works works pretty good. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you there. Woo. Okay, so that's it. Just the latest in my arsenal of Logan's Run pistols. I like to show the progress videos and pics of where I'm going with this so far, but it seems to work. Basically, of course, it's just the 2 sides are just tacked together, but it will be indeed glued, and probably I'll heat weld it all the way around to really seal it all the way around this part here. Also inside here where the water comes through, where the mechanism moves there, I'm going to have to seal that with an O-ring or maybe just some silicone or something, but that's it. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching.